birdies.
I think he should give us all a close look down here. Here he comes. Nice flying. Hi. Hey, do either of you two want to feed Fraser? I do. Yeah? Well, come on over here. I have a bowl. I can put some goodies in it for you. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. Are you ready?
He really goes gaga for birdseed.
It's healthier than chocolate, huh?
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Oh, very funny. Hey, believe it or not, those are all feathers on top of his head. Yeah, there's no hair on a bird's body. Pretty cool. All right, well, I guess we'll see you later. Thanks for hanging out. That was Fraser Crane. She knows how to make an entrance. Everyone, I'd like you to meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
That's right, Russell. You know, they get their name from an old English word, piebald, which translates to different colors. So, pretty aptly named, I think.
Well, I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
They're so inspiring, too. They really are, you know. Not long ago, bald eagles were in danger of extinction. But then through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping the species to recover. Yep, so now I'm so happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Thank you, Hope. Now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Lord Peacock. You know, not only is peacock Lore in Hindi, but Lore is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
And hey, Russell, did you know that there's literally thousands and thousands of bird species found all over the world? You don't even have to go that far to find them. So many birds can be found in your parks back home, and even your own backyards. Yep. Oh, and hey, to get everyone started on your next adventure, you can download the Nature Passport app.
Great idea, Katie. Just ask any Wilderness Explorers troop leader to find out more. You know, whether it's a cabin bird, or an eagle, an owl, or a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey, Russell, look behind you. That's a Toco toucan.
That's a cool bird. Get a picture of it for me.
He's hopping around too. Hey, can you fly like the birds?
Yeah! Woohoo!
I too can run around like the
Oh,
birds.
now look who's flying like a bird.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. You see, Kevin was just the beginning.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh,
The wilderness
I love them.